Welcome, in front of me is Nothing Phone 3, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your phone is heating while charging. So the first thing I want to mention is that if you use fast charging cable, then it's pretty normal for your phone to heat when it's charging, so don't worry. But you can also check for the background apps that may be causing it. So go to the system, go to the settings, then select battery. Then in battery you can use adaptive battery, and the adaptive battery is a smart function that will limit battery for apps that you don't often use. You can check for battery. You can enable battery health and enable smart charging mode, or you can set a custom charging mode by switching this toggle and set a maximum charging limit for your device. Now you can also improve your battery health by going into the apps section. Now here you'll see the recently opened apps, which I suggest that they are also one of your most used ones. You can also check all of the apps on the list, and if you're suspecting some app in background activity that causes your battery to overheat, you can go to the app settings, then go to app battery usage and disallow battery usage, background usage of the application, which means that it will not work in the background and will not use your battery in the meantime. Now one very important notice is that you should use the original charging and cable, the original Nothing charging block and cable, and also avoid using your phone while charging, and by using your phone while charging I mostly mean scrolling and gaming. And also, for better heat distribution, remove your case, and this will also highly improve your phone's temperature while charging. And don't always remember to charge your phone in a well-ventilated area, also for the better heat distribution. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helps you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.